Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to recover RAR file passwords with a professional tool. Forgot or lost your password for the RAR file? How to retrieve it? Don't worry, in this video I will show you a useful way to get the RAR file extract password. Here we go. We need to download the RAR Password Unlocker, RAR Password Genius for this method. You can go to iSunshare.com to download it. This software is suitable for recovering any RAR file with a forgotten password. Click to download and install it on your computer. Now launch the software. You need to click on the Open option. Then select the RAR file from which you need to recover the password and click Open. There are 4 password recovery options to choose from. Choose one and customize the settings. Then you need to click the Start option. Password recovery requires patience and complex passwords may take a long time. Okay, the password recovery is complete. Click the Copy option. Then you can extract the RAR file. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.